cabin down on Misery Mile. It's nestled in the shadow of a mountain against the sky. Well, in the little cabin, two people are in love. They met when they had given up. Now they just can't get enough. So they play music on the front porch, on a radio show. Harmonicas and pretty guitars, they sing about what they know. At night they listen to the silence of the stars. Frogs singing in the swimming pool to the beat of their hearts. She followed him from far away. He was happy to be found. Sometimes she missed the city life when he was not around, but she knew she made the right choice when she looked into his eyes. At night they held each other tight beneath November skies. They play music on the front porch, on a radio show. Harmonicas and pretty guitars, they sing about what they know. At night they listen to the silence of the stars. Frogs singing in the swimming pool to the beat of their hearts. Singing in the swimming pool to the beat of their hearts. Frogs singing in the swimming pool to the beat of their hearts.